Exercise has numerous physical, mental, and emotional benefits, which include physical benefits. 1. Improved cardiovascular health. Regular exercise strengthens the heart, lowers blood pressure, and improves circulation. 2. Weight management. Exercise helps control body weight by burning calories and improving metabolism. 3. Increased strength and endurance. Builds muscle mass and enhances endurance, making daily tasks easier. 4. Improved flexibility and mobility. Stretching exercises and movement can increase range of motion and reduce the risk of injury. 5.
MC. Oh, yeah.
Exercises like walking or lifting weights help increase bone density and prevent osteoporosis. 6. Better immune function. Moderate exercise boosts the immune system and helps the body fight off infections. 7. Better sleep. Regular activity can improve sleep quality and reduce insomnia. Mental and emotional benefits. 1. Reduce stress and anxiety. Exercise triggers the release of endorphins, which act as natural mood elevators. 2. Improve mental clarity. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, enhancing focus, memory, and cognitive function. 3. Boosted mood and self-esteem. Regular exercise can reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety and improve self-confidence. 4. Enhanced brain function. It supports neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and grow, which can slow cognitive decline with aging. Long-term health benefits. 1. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Regular exercise lowers the risk of conditions like heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and some cancers. 2. Longevity. People who exercise regularly tend to live longer, healthier lives. 3. Better posture and balance. Strengthening muscles and improving body awareness can reduce falls and improve stability, especially in older adults. Incorporating regular physical activity into your life, even in small amounts, can have a profound positive impact on overall well-being.